I don't know about y'all, but I love getting packages when they ain't trash. Ooh, look at this body scrub. Facial soap. Facial soap. Body wash. Yes, got a body wash. Body soap. Leave-in conditioner. Buttermilk moisturizing lotion. Berry mist. Shampoo. So yeah.